We recommend everyone to know early Black Friday 2020 about Rozmoz Pro bread machine with homemade function. When is Black Friday 2020? Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Rozmoz Pro bread machine with homemade function, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview summary: 14 customized automatic programs and DIY homemade function. Rozmoz Breadmaker has settings for light, medium or dark crust, different loaf capacity from 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1000 grams. 15 different programs meet your needs for different foods. With the homemade function, you can adjust the time of bread making at will. You can choose 3 flavors of bread, light, medium, or dark according to your favorite taste. Ceramic pan is designed to make the bread evenly baked and healthier for no chemicals. Whether you are working or on weekends, you can choose the time delay function without getting up early. Heat preservation function can retain the heat and taste of bread for a long time. Rozmoz bread machine uses a glass touch screen. The surface is smooth and not easy to scratch. The sloped touch screen is designed for convenient and precise. The body of the Rozmoz bread machine is made of stainless steel, which is stable and has a longer service life. Please contact us when you encounter any problems. We will reply and solve your problem within 24 hours. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.